Hello friends, hope you're doing good. So let's say if I want to give serial number is 1, 2, 3, then so on, 4, 5, 6 till to the all the people, the names of whom I mentioned here. But it's taking a lot of my time. So simply what will I do? I'll delete it again. I'll write 1, then I'll write equals to, break it open, and I'll click the first number 1 which I have already mentioned, then I'll add plus 1, then I'll break it close, enter. It's 2. Now I'll click on the 2, get the cursor to the corner of this 2, I drag it down till the last name. Here you see all the people are now designated according to the serial number 1 to 3 till 26. So this is a simple step. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe for more updates.